for India Today.
In his first direct response to rumors of leadership change in Karnataka, the state chief minister B.S. Yediyurappa has said he would resign if the BJP central leadership directed him to do so. The chief minister insisted he would continue to be in office until the party high command has placed its trust in him.
The Nataka in Karnataka has reignited again. Amid murmurs of a dissent and rumours that CM B.S. Yediyurappa could well be on his way out, BSY has finally broken his silence. Yediyurappa has made it clear that he'll resign if the High Command asks him to. But till then, he's the boss.
ಎಲ್ಲಿವರೆಗೆ ಡೆಲ್ಲಿ ಹೈಕಮಾಂಡ್ ನನ್ನ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ವಿಶ್ವಾಸ ಇರುತ್ತೋ ಅಲ್ಲಿವರೆಗೆ ಮುಖ್ಯಮಂತ್ರಿಯಾಗಿ ಮುಂದುವರಿತೇನೆ. ಯಾವ ದಿವಸ ನೀವು ಬೇಡ ಯಡಿಯೂರಪ್ಪನವರೇ ಅಂತೇಳಿ ಅವ್ರು ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೋ ಆ ದಿವಸ ರಾಜೀನಾಮೆ ಕೊಟ್ಟು ನಮ್ಮ ರಾಜ್ಯದ ಅಭಿವೃದ್ಧಿಗೋಸ್ಕರ ಹಗಲು ರಾತ್ರಿ ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡ್ತೇನೆ. ಆದ್ದರಿಂದ ಯಾವುದೇ ಗೊಂದಲದಲ್ಲಿ ನಾನಿಲ್ಲ. ನನಗೊಂದು ಅವಕಾಶ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಅದನ್ನು ಶಕ್ತಿ ಮೀರಿ ಸದುಪಯೋಗ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಳ್ಳೋ ಪ್ರಯತ್ನ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದೇನೆ. ಉಳಿದಂಥದ್ದು ಹೈಕಮಾಂಡ್ಗೆ ಬಿಟ್ಟಂತೆ.
In a show of strength, loyalists from the BSY camp also came out in support of their leader. 65 MLAs have written to the state as well as the central leadership backing the chief minister. They have also demanded action against the leaders who have been speaking out against the CM.
ಸರ್ 65ಕ್ಕೆ ಹೆಚ್ಚು ಜನ ಶಾಸಕರು ಆತ್ಮಸಾಕ್ಷಿಗೆ ಎದೆ ಮುಟ್ಕೊಂಡು ಸಹಿ ಹಾಕಿದ ಪತ್ರ ನನ್ನ ಓಕೆ. ಇದನ್ನ ಯಡಿಯೂರಪ್ಪನವರಾಗಲಿ ಕೆಲವರು ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ ಇದರಿಂದ ಯಾರಾದ್ರೂ ನನಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತೈತಿ ವಿಜಯೇಂದ್ರ ನನಗೇನ್ರಿ ವಿಜಯೇಂದ್ರ ಯಡಿಯೂರಪ್ಪನ ಮುಖ್ಯಮಂತ್ರಿಗಳು ವಿಜಯೇಂದ್ರ ಸ್ವಾಮಿ ಭಾರತೀಯ ಜನತಾ ಪಾರ್ಟಿ ರಾಜ್ಯದ ಉಪಾಧ್ಯಕ್ಷರು. ನಾನು 3 ಬಾರಿ ಶಾಸಕನಾಗಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ವಿಜಯೇಂದ್ರನ ಮಾತು ಕೇಳಿ ನಾನು ಕೇಳದೆ ಹೋಗ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ನಾನೇನಿರಲ್ಲ. ಅದು ಯಡಿಯೂರಪ್ಪ ನಮ್ಮಂತವ್ರಿಗೆ ಹೇಳ್ಕೊಟ್ಟು ಹೇಳಿಕೆ ಕೊಡಿಸಲ್ಲ.
He's our chief minister. He's in the place. He's in place, and he has made a statement. I am a disciplined soldier of the party. You don't have to relate with any of the situation.
Yediyurappa has gotten some much-needed support from his MLAs as rebel leaders have been baying for his blood, claiming his son B.Y. Vijayendra is the one running the government and also levelling corruption charges at the CM.
ಅವರು ಹೋಗಿದ್ದು ಕೋವಿಡ್ ನಿರ್ವಹಣೆ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಮೆಚ್ಚುಗೆ ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋಗಿದ್ದಿಲ್ಲ. ನೀವು ಮಾಧ್ಯಮದವರು ಯಾವುದೂ ಸತ್ಯವನ್ನು ಹೊಡಿತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಅವ್ರು ಹೋಗಿದ್ದು ಇಡಿ ಎನ್ಕ್ವೈರಿ ನಡೆದಿದೆ. 3 ದಿವಸದಿಂದ ಇಡಿಯವರು ಎನ್ಕ್ವೈರಿ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ.
With the internal discontent brewing, the BJP has now been forced to constitute a coordination panel to look into the grievances of MLAs. India Today has learned that headed by the state unit chief, the panel will have 15 members in total, but will crucially leave out Chief Minister B.S. Yediyurappa. The party has also issued a gag order for the party leaders. With the infighting in the BJP, it is advantage Congress. The opposition is now claiming that the governance is taking a backseat amid all this bickering.
The entire administration of the government has failed. So, 65 MLAs have signed means there may be some issue which is going on within themselves.
Yediyurappa has made it clear he's not going anywhere without a fight. But with the rebellion brewing, will the BJP High Command let BSY rule or will they replace him?
Infighting has once more erupted within the BJP in Karnataka over the leadership issue. But this time around, Chief Minister B.S. Yediyurappa has reacted very, very strongly. So it's left to be seen how exactly will the central leadership respond to this new crisis? With video journalist Madhuwar, Nolan Pinto for India Today.
Well, that is all we have time for on India First this evening.